In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to Shopify. Meta tags help search engines and social platforms understand what your store and your pages are about. They can improve how your site appears in search results and when links are shared, so it's worth taking a few minutes to set them up properly. First, log into your Shopify admin, and once you're on the main dashboard, look for the menu on the left-hand side. This is your control center for everything in your store. From here, you want to find and click on Online Store. That's the section where you manage how your website looks and behaves. When you click Online Store, you'll be taken to the Themes page. Here, you'll see your current theme at the top, usually labeled as the live or published theme. On the right side of that theme, there's a button with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options button. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In that drop-down, choose Edit Code. This opens the theme code editor, which might look a bit intimidating if you're not used to it, but we're only going to touch one file, so don't worry. On the left, you'll see a list of folders and files that make up your theme. Look for the folder called Layout and click to expand it. Inside that folder, you should see a file named theme.liquid. This file controls the overall structure of your store's pages, including the head section where meta tags live. Click on theme.liquid to open it in the main editor area. Once the file is open, scroll near the top until you find the head tag. You're looking for the line that says less than sign head greater than, and then a bit further down, the closing tag, which is less than sign / head greater than. Move your cursor to the end of the closing head tag line, click there, and press enter to create a new blank line just before it. This new space right before the closing head tag is where you'll add your meta tags. Make sure you follow the same format as the existing meta tags you see above, using the standard HTML meta tag structure. For example, you might set meta descriptions, keywords, or social sharing tags here. After you paste or type in your meta tags, double check for typos or missing quotation marks, then click Save in the top right of the editor. Once saved, your new meta tags will be included on your store pages and can be read by browsers and search engines.